If you're encountering the invalid parameter error on Instagram and want to resolve it, I'll show you how I fixed it quickly. First, close the Instagram app entirely. Then, open your device's Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General, which will take you to another menu. From there, locate and select Storage. This might take a few seconds to load, depending on how much data your device is currently managing. Once the storage page loads, scroll down and find Instagram in the list of apps. Tap on it, and then select Offload App. Confirm this by tapping Offload App again. After a brief loading period, you'll see an option to reinstall or update Instagram. Click the blue Reinstall button, and this process will update your app while clearing any bugs or errors present in the previous version. Once the update is complete, reopen Instagram, and the error should be resolved just as it was for me.